Let's create our final comic by transforming our storyboard. Use the Replace feature to replace characters. Select your stick figure and click Replace in the toolbar. A modal presents characters you can choose from. Note the different poses and expressions you can assign. The final comic character will automatically inherit the pose of the stick figure you chose in Layout Storyboard. You can change the expression or inherited pose by clicking on the different options. I want my character to be surprised. There we go. Click Replace. You will see the detailed character has replaced the stick figure. If this is a character and pose that you will use often, you can pin this character so that it is available in the Pin Items section below for quick access. Let's change the background color. Be consistent with the color you use to depict a specific setting. For example, if your main character's bedroom is yellow, it should be yellow in all the other panels and throughout the rest of your story. For this scenario, I think this color would be great. You can use the Add Delete feature to add in the other high-fidelity graphic assets. Now let's add some more props to help complete this scene. Explore the high-fidelity graphic assets and be creative. You can use the asset filter to sort the props. Let's add this prop. Now let's resize it and place it properly. There we go. These assets will show in the recently used items list, a shortcut to assets you used recently. You may want to tweak the text from your storyboard. You can add and edit text here in Final Comic just the same as in Layout Storyboard. Continue adding your finer details and move on to your next panel. Don't forget to mark your panel as done when it is complete. Save your changes and then preview to view your entire scene as well as its question and choices. Repeat this process and continue adding your final graphic details to your panels to transform your storyboard into your final comic.